Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen, where today we're making lentil soup, which is one of my favorites. It's so hearty and comforting, and it's just a great winter soup. And I don't remember ever not liking it. I mean, even as a kid, they're just delicious. So let's get started. Very few ingredients. I just have some lentils here. I'm using green lentils. I think this is the most common, but there's different kinds, and you can do this with any of them. So the first thing that you have to do is sort through your lentils. So I just put a few aside so that you could see that. If you've never done this before, it's a good idea to find something to put them on, a sheet pan, and just sort through them. I've done these already. But even with modern sorting techniques, on occasion you will find a little pebble or a hull that's empty, and you know, eating a pebble is not very good, so you want to get rid of those. And then all that you have to do is just rinse these just to knock the dust off of them. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll get back to the soup. I have equal amounts of onion, celery, and carrots, which makes this a mirepoix. Pardon my French, but what a mirepoix is are equal ingredients of these three things. They're a great base to so many dishes, so it's a good term to know. I'm just going to cut up a clove of garlic, and I have a bay leaf, and that's it. So these all go into a pot where I've just put a little olive oil just to cover the bottom of the pot, and on medium heat. Except for the garlic, I'm holding the garlic back because that can burn easily. So right now these vegetables are just going to go in for a few minutes, just until they soften. So it's been about 2 minutes now. So all that I'm going to do is add my garlic and sweat these vegetables for another minute. And what that means is I'm doing this over a medium-low heat. I just want them to exude their juices and soften up a little bit and become fragrant. Just like when we sweat. You get a little wet and you get fragrant. So I'll be back in about 2 more minutes, and then we'll make the rest of the soup. Now we're ready to put the lentils in and finish the rest of the soup, but I just wanted to talk a minute about how lentils are a great pantry staple. And the reason is because lentils don't need to be soaked. They're a unique shape to a bean. They're flat. They look like the lens of an eye, actually. And because of that, they cook quickly. This will take about 30 minutes to cook this soup. They make a great side dish. They can be added to soups, salads. They're delicious in salad. So there go the beans. Here's the bay leaf. And some water just to cover. Give it a stir, and if you'll notice, I have not put salt in here yet. They're small enough that if you wanted to put salted water, or you can use chicken stock or vegetable stock, but if you wanted to use anything that's seasoned, they'll just take a little longer to soften. That's all. Pretty easy. Well, we're back. This took about 30 minutes. Honestly, I haven't been timing it, but you do have to season with salt and pepper because remember, nothing is in here yet. I'm just going to finish it with some parsley, and you want to keep those parsley stems for a stock. Now, I made this the simplest way I know, which is basically just with olive oil, the mirepoix, the garlic, bay leaf, and the lentils. Now, delicious additions would be smoked ham hocks, turkey, oh goodness, bacon, sausages, rice, pasta, tomato. The list goes on and on. There are so many recipes for so many different varieties of lentil soup, and honestly, they're all delicious. And that's what cooking is about, is just making it your own. So I'm just going to scoop some of this and let you know what I think. It's really hot though. I think I'm going to have to wait. So here we have it. simple lentil soup. What a great comfort food. It's really delicious. It's nutty, earthy, very mild flavored, and actually sweet. Maybe that's the carrot pulling through. But I urge you to stop what you're doing and make a lentil soup for yourself, your family, your friends. It's delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow me here on YouTube by subscribing. Nina in the Kitchen on Facebook, and for recipes, go to ninainthekitchen.net. Thanks, guys. Bye.